How to add credit card to Apple Wallet. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly add a credit or debit card to your Apple Wallet in just a few easy steps. So first, open the Wallet app. Then once you're in the app, tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Now, you will see a few options, and because we're adding a card, choose debit or credit card, then tap on it. Next, tap Continue. Here, you can either scan your card using your phone's camera or tap Enter card details manually if you prefer typing it in. So once you've entered your card number, expiration date, and security code, Apple will contact your card issuer for verification. So if your card is supported, it will be added to your wallet and you're all set to use Apple Pay. And that's it. Now you're ready to make fast, secure payments with just your iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.